Hello everyone, welcome to our DSC course in Java. This is Manpreet Kaur. So this course is about 3 to 4 months long, or it may take some more time. So let me tell you what we are going to cover in this course. So talking about the syllabus, initially we will be going to start with downloading and installing all the tools that are needed to run a Java program, which we will be going to cover in today's lecture. And next we will be going to cover all the basic things that are required in almost every programming languages like C++. That is our data types, variables, loops, if-else statements, and some pattern printing problems so that you will get comfortable with loops. Okay, once you will be comfortable with the loops and basic things like if-else statements, we will move to functions and array data structure. And then there is a sliding window concept in DSA. And then you are searching sorting algorithms such as linear search, binary search, and in each section I will give you some problems for practice, in which some problems we will be covering in the lectures and some will be given as the assignment. Next we will be covering our most important part in DSA, that is recursion. So we will be covering recursion in depth, understanding how recursion works by making stacks and recursion trees. So next our concept is backtracking, and next most important data structure, most important concept from interview point of view, that is our OOPS, that is object oriented programming. Next we have stacks and queues, and moving to advanced data structures like trees, binary search trees, linked list is also there, and then hashing concept, and then heap, dynamic programming, and graphs. Okay, so this is all about the syllabus. So initially we will be going to start with installing our most important tool that is needed to run a Java program, that is JDK. Okay, so JDK refers to Java Development Kit, and it comes up with tools that are needed to develop a Java program, compile a Java program, debug a Java program, and many more. Okay, when you install JDK, it comes up with the tools like JRE plus JVM. So JRE helps us to execute, okay, our Java program. Okay, and this is our JVM, which actually executes our Java program. Okay, basically JDK helps us to write and develop our Java program. Okay, so once you develop the Java program, you need to execute it. So to execute it, Java comes up with tool inside it, that is JRE. So JRE is the tool inside JDK which helps us to execute a Java program. Okay, so inside JRE we have JVM. Okay, so this is the tool that actually executes our Java program. So let me give you an example. So suppose we have made a Java program, that is first.java. Okay, we save it as first.java. So to compile that program, we have a compiler, that is Java C. Okay, so this is a command we use to compile our Java program. So this is inside JDK. This is inside JDK. Okay, once we compile our program using Java C, so it will give us first.class file. Okay, so now we have to run this file. So to run this file, we will run a command, that is our Java and file name, that is first. Okay, so this is part of JRE. Okay, this is part of JRE which helps to run our Java program. Okay, so using this command, we will run our Java program. Okay, so this is all about JDK, JRE, and JVM. So now we will install JDK. So you have to go there in Oracle's website. So these are different Java versions available. Java 24 is the latest version of Java SE platform. Okay. So according to your system, you can choose. So mine is Windows. So I will install this installer, right? So go to this link. So my Java JDK is getting downloaded. Let's wait. Setup has been installed. So we will click next, and here in C drive in program files folder inside Java, inside JDK, and this is the version that is 24. So this is the path where we are where we will be going to install JDK. We will click next. So the installation process has been started inside that particular folder. So let us check it's been installed or not. So we will go to C drive and inside program folders, search Java. So here is Java. So here is our JDK. So here is our bin folder, which comes up with the tools like so inside bin folder you can see many tools like Java, which is needed to write our Java program, Java C compiler that we have discussed recently, and JDB that is our Java debugger, and all the tools are there. You can see. So let us go to our CMD, and we are inside this folder. So let me try to see the version of Java C. So we have our Java C 24. Okay, and so I am able to run this command from any folder. Okay, if I go to uh, D drive and run Java C version, it is giving the same. Okay, inside any folder I can run this command because my global environment variable is already set up. Okay, but in your case it may be not available. So what you have to do, that you have to search environment variable inside the system, inside system properties. So you have to go to advanced and go to environment variables. So you have to copy this path. Okay, this up to bin, and after copying you have to, so here is our path variable. Okay, so if you don't see the path variable, you can click to new and introduce new path variable. So I already have, so I will click edit. So inside this you can see I have many path variables being already set up. So I will click to new and paste that here. Okay, 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 okay. So now you can also run the command Java C from anywhere. Okay, and it will run because I have already set up the global path in our environment variables. So now we have all the environment related to compiling and running our Java program is set up. So in next video we will learn how to write the first Java program. So see you guys till then. Bye bye, take care.